If you want to update your Toyota's infotainment system, the process depends on which system your vehicle uses. First, check your system type. Turn on your vehicle and go to Settings, then System, then About or Software version. Most newer models use Toyota Audio Multimedia, while some older vehicles use Toyota Entune. Knowing this determines how updates are installed. For newer Toyota Audio Multimedia systems, you can usually update over Wi-Fi. Go to Settings, then Wi-Fi, connect to your home network or mobile hotspot, and make sure the connection is stable. Then head to Settings, then Software Update, then check for updates. If an update is available, follow the prompts and keep the engine running during installation so the system doesn't lose power. If your vehicle has built-in navigation, map updates are sometimes separate. Go to Menu, then Setup, then Navigation, then Map Update. Some models require downloading map files to a USB drive from Toyota's official site, then inserting that USB into the vehicle to complete installation. For vehicles using Toyota Entune, install the Toyota mobile app, sign in, and pair your vehicle. The app may notify you of compatible updates and guide you through the process. After any update, fully restart the system by turning the vehicle off, opening the driver's door, waiting 10 to 15 seconds, then restarting. This helps the software refresh properly. If the system freezes, shows update failed, or doesn't offer updates at all, the dealership may need to install firmware using Toyota's diagnostic tools.